Hello there. Ready to give your chatbot a voice? Let's make your virtual assistant even more engaging with some delightful sounds. First, choose the bot you want to add the sound to and make sure it's the right one for the right job. Navigate to your website chatbot settings, then click on the General tab. Now, let's add a sound for when your bot first pops up. Choose something inviting like a cheerful ding or a soft chime. Next, set up a message sound for incoming messages for your users, opting for a pleasant and non-intrusive sound, like a gentle notification ping. Decide how you want to handle message history, either per session, which shows the conversation history for the current session only, or keep all history, which maintains a record of all past interactions. Finally, set up a message sound for your team users, something distinct, like a subtle beep or a short tone, so your team knows when to respond. And there you have it. Your chatbot now has a voice, making the user experience delightful and communication seamless. Enjoy the enhanced engagement and happy chatting.